on you. Good job, boys. Thank you so much. I can hear it through the live stream. I can hear you guys hear it? I can hear it. It's thunderous.
Before I get in, before it starts, before I begin, and how long before you decide, or before I know what it feels like, and where do I go if you never tried and you'll never know, and how long do I have to climb up on the side of this mountain of mine? I look up at night, planets are moving at the speed of light, and climb up in the trees, and the chance that you get is a chance you seize. And how long do I have to stand with my head stuck under the sand? Well, I'll stop before I can stop, or before I see things the right way up. And all that noise and all that sound, and all those places I got found, birds go flying at the speed of sound to show you how it all began. Birds keep flying from the underground. If you could see it, then you'd understand. That you'll never find, all the inventors you'd never design, the buildings that you put up, Japan and China, yeah, they're all in it. And the sign that I couldn't read, or the light that I couldn't see, for some things you have to believe, but others are puzzles, yeah, they're puzzling me. And all that noise and all that sound, and all those places I got found, yeah. And birds go flying at the speed of sound, show you how it all began. Birds keep flying from the underground. If you could see it, then you'd understand. Oh, see it, then you'd understand. Yeah. Oh yeah. Make sure, put what Coldplay songs you want to hear in the chat. We want to hear you. Thank you so much. Hey. And all those signs, I see what they meant. Some things you can invent. Some get made and some get said. The birds go flying at the speed of sound to show you how it all began. Birds keep flying from the underground. If you could see it, then you'd understand. Whoa, see it, then you'd understand.